And Kenya's central bank expects the inflation rate to drop once the heavy rains subside. Last month, year-on-year inflation rose to its highest level in 15 months at 7.32% after prices of some foodstuffs shot up. Now, Governor Patrick Njoroge has said currently a stable shilling meant the impact of the currency devaluation was dwindling and that non-food items had been dropping. Rains have been particularly heavy in recent weeks, blamed on the El-nino weather phenomenon. The heavy rains have washed away or made roads impassable, cutting off some of farmers from markets, and some crops have also been damaged. Now, the central bank raised the benchmark lending rate by a total of 300 basis points in June and July after the shilling weakened sharply, helping stabilize the currency.